Good morning, students. Welcome to the social class. Today, I am going to take history second lesson from trade to territory. We have already learned that in 1498, Vasco da Gama of Portugal discovered a new sea route from Europe to India. At first, they came to India to trade, but slowly they involved in our political affairs. They made alliances with our kings that they will support them when their enemies come to attack them. In return, they got the right to collect taxes and revenues in some of the states. Thus, slowly they started occupying the power. They started establish their political power in India through battles and wars. Today, we are going to see about the Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. Battle of Plassey, you can see the picture, Battle of Plassey. Aliverdy Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, died in 1756 and his grandson Siraj ud Dowlah ascended the throne in Bengal. The British, taking advantage of the new Nawab's weakness and unpopularity, seized power. So, Siraj ud Dowlah decided to teach them a lesson. He attacked the political settlements of Calcutta. He took a measure called Black Hole Tragedy. You can see the Black Hole Tragedy here. What is the Black Hole Tragedy? There was a small dungeon room in the Fort William in Calcutta. Nearly 146 British prisoners of war were held in that room for one night. Next day, when the door was opened, 123 of the prisoners found dead because of suffocation. The Battle of Plassey took place between the British and the East India Company and the Nawab of Bengal and his French allies. It was the most decisive battle that marked the initiation of the British rule in India for the next 2 centuries. Okay, next we'll see the Battle of Buxar. Before that, you can see in the map, you can see there Battle of Plassey. So this Plassey is in Bengal. You can see the place of Plassey in the Bengal and Buxar near Bihar, that side you have. Okay, now Battle of Buxar. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the company was granted the right to have trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Mir Jafar, the Nawab of Bengal, fell into the arrear and was forced to abdicate the throne in favor of his son-in-law Mir Qasim. After some time, Mir Qasim was angry with the British for misusing their right to collect taxes and he started revolted against the British. He formed a confederacy. Confederacy means an agreement or alliance with Shuja ud Dowlah and Shah Alam and attacked the British. The battle was fought on October 22nd, 1764 at Buxar, a small fortified town on the banks of the Ganges River. It was a decisive victory for the British East India Company. On Mir Jafar's death, his son made Nizam ud Dowlah as the king and signed Allahabad Treaty, by which the Nawab had to disband most of his army. Dual system of government started in Bengal. Okay, that's all about the Battle of Buxar. I hope you understood about the 2 battles. The 2 battles are very important to lay the foundation for the British Empire. Today we'll conclude and tomorrow we'll continue with Carnatic Wars. Thank you.